Making sense of common separable phrasal verbs. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of separable phrasal verbs. These tricky little constructions can be tough to master, but with practice and understanding, they can really take your English communication skills to the next level. So, buckle up, and let's get started. Phrasal verbs are unique to English and are formed by combining a verb with one or more particles, usually a preposition or adverb. What sets separable phrasal verbs apart is that you can separate them by inserting other words, usually the object of the verb. For example, turn off is a separable phrasal verb because you can say, I turned off the light, or I turned the light off. There are countless separable phrasal verbs, but we're going to focus on the most common ones that you'll encounter in everyday conversation. 1. Break down. This phrasal verb can mean to separate something into parts, or it can indicate that something stopped working. Example, can you break down the concept for me? Or, my car broke down on the way to work. 2. Call off. This usually means to cancel something. Example, they called off the meeting because of the snow. 3. Pick up. This can mean to physically lift something, to collect something or someone, or to buy something. Example, can you pick up some milk from the store? 4. Turn on, turn off. These usually mean to start or stop a device or machine. Example, please turn off the lights before you leave. 5. Put on. This typically means to dress oneself in something. Example, she put on her coat before heading outside. Understanding the theory is great, but the real key to mastering separable phrasal verbs is practice. Try making sentences using the phrasal verbs we've learned today. For example, think about what you can pick up or turn on. Or imagine scenarios where you'd have to call off something. That's all for today's lesson on common separable phrasal verbs. Hopefully, you're feeling a little more confident in recognizing and using these important elements of English grammar. Remember, practice is crucial, so don't shy away from using these in your everyday conversations. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time as we continue our exploration of English grammar.